Hello everyone, I have a great tip for you. If you have a hard time when you try to pass the thread through the needle like this and you're having trouble, maybe your hands shake, or your vision is not good enough, this trick is surely for you. So, I'm gonna give you a very simple and useful tip so that you can do it on your own without any trouble. If you're trying to pass it that way and it's taking too long and no success, or if you're trying this trick of scrubbing it on your palm, it hardly works or takes too long. So I'm going to show you a really good hack, which is my great-grandmother's. She has great sewing experience, and I learned this from her. So now let me show you. For this trick we are going to take a notebook and tear off a piece about this size like this. It doesn't have to look pretty straight. This piece here is just fine. After tearing it, you're gonna have to fold it in half like this. Fold it this way. So now, we are going to take the thread and place our thread here, inside like this in the middle of the paper. Adjust the thread inside the paper. With the help of pair of scissors, I'm going to cut it diagonally. See how I am doing it? This is the way you have to follow. This is the pointy end we are going to need. So, cut it just like this. This paper can be used several times. I'm going to take the needle and pass the paper through the needle eye. It's much easier to do. First pass the tip here and just tear it off like this. And by doing this, the thread comes along with the tip. It's done. Now, I'll take the paper off. Look how easy it is, easy to do. Here I am going to take a smaller one, just to show you that it works with any kind of needle. So, let's repeat the exact same process. So I'm going to use the same piece of paper I have used earlier. Put it inside, align the thread and cut it diagonally like this. And now just go through the eye of the needle. See this? It's a smaller hole. Pass it through the eye of the needle. Just take the tip on the other side. Now, go ahead and pull it. And tear the paper to pull the thread out of the hole. Take off the paper and that's it. Look how easy it is. Do try this hack at home. And show this video to your mom or grandmother. Maybe it will help them out.